There's Spooky. Hey, gorgeous boy. You're lovely. This is Fergus and Beans, who weren't in the video last week. Fergus is so much braver now. You guys gonna come out? You gonna come out? No? Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Oh, don't be silly. Don't be silly. What are you doing? You're a good boy. Good girls. Spooky again. Come to see what's going on? Yeah, I know. So, oh, at this city. Actually being a bit braver. He's changed hiding spots. I think he's actually looking at what's going on outside. And then Angelique and her kittens. Starting to move around a lot more now and generally making more mess, causing more chaos. Oh, and there's Pickle. That's her new favourite spot. Hey, gorgeous. Dipstick, fast asleep. That's an empty pen. Hi, that's Susanna. Hey, gorgeous. And then Hudson. Hello, lovely. Both of these guys would be up for homing if we were open. It's Florence. Hello, lovely. Oh, you're so cute. She's moved into the main corridor and she's coping really well. She's not peeing anywhere, which is good. And there's Jack. He's been a bit braver this week. He's even taken treats off of Maggie's hand. And this is my namesake. This is Claire. Her owner died. And she's about 15. She's really lovely. And then Mr. Snuggles. Oh, look, he's actually out. Look. Hi, mate. I can't focus on it. If I move it, he'll probably move. But he's been a bit braver this week as well. And Mojo. Oh, no, she's hiding. She was actually out yesterday there. He's in here. Oh, these are Claire's friends. Tammy and Tilly. Oh, hello. There's one. One's a bit more shy than the other though. So they're oldies as well. I think they're about 14, 15. Are you in there? No. Look her under there. She's more shy. Hello. Then Felixa from the same home, another old girl. Hey, gorgeous. You're lovely. You are. And then Izzy, still hiding. He's been much braver this week. He's taken chicken out of people's hands and he let me do a health check on him. He was very brave. And Will, who has come on so much this week. Hi, gorgeous. And Bonnie and Molly, so much braver. I think the other one's underneath the grey blanket. And Jet, who is still hiding, but he started purring this week for me and taking treats out of my hand, so proper progress. Hi, Nancy. And then, oh, Amber. Hey, Amber. And then that's that's Smudge with Maggie.
The boxes outside, did you want them or are they to go for general Sorry, I was just thinking.
Oh, yeah, I know. Hold on. There's Dara. Hey, gorgeous boy. Who actually went to the vets this week, and he's unfortunately got to have a leg amputated because he's got an old injury, bless him. But he should be having that done next week.